Yo, hey TPGtech squad, welcome back. If you couldn't tell from the title, we finally managed to get a bad review on eBay. And in this video, we'll be cracking right into this particular person's issue with me. Before we begin, if you're new to the channel and you're liking the content so far, make sure you like, comment, and share this video. YouTube has a particular disdain for small content creators. Alrighty, now the story behind this one is pretty scuffed on my end, you see, on eBay. Like the majority of all of their laptops, broken or otherwise, are all, for some reason, these guys just love auctions for some reason. I personally don't have a problem with auctions in particular, except when I'm participating in them. No kidding, every single auction I've attempted on eBay, these rats, these rats, they always, without fail, wait until there's literally 60 seconds left on a bid, mind you, that usually takes 7 days or more to complete. And you wanted to do a bid, you waited for like 7 whole days just to have it just taken away from you in like the last picosecond. It's so sad. Sparing you the rant, this actually inspired me to give a shot at the old auctions and actually learn a bit about how to use them, because they honestly sell way faster than fixed pricing and offers. I'm really surprised that offers, no one wants to offer anything at all. They kind of do, though. I'm lying, though. They kind of do when they want to. I guess it's just a matter of interest. So, if you haven't watched my older showcase video on this computer, and you want to check it out, the link's up there at the top. This particular Lenovo was sitting around for ever since then, actually. And which is pretty surprising, given how solid it is and how much I covered it already. And how much interest it generally does have, though. I don't think the price is unreasonable for it at all. So I had the bright idea to kind of see how an auction would go for it. And let's just say that since I totally didn't know what I was doing, I botched it. It was far too low above the pricing that would actually make it so that I made any money for it. So, which is sad, but I could live with it as long as it was, they were happy with it. And it was being put to, some good use. But then the bad review kind of came out of nowhere. Here's a screenshot of the complaint. Apparently I had forgotten to check every single key beforehand, which is very likely, honestly, I'm not gonna lie. Let me tell you what I usually do before I ship anything out. What I usually do before I even consider it shipping anything out is to do a preliminary check on if I missed anything or if there's any problems with it, and before I do ship it out, so this exact thing doesn't happen. And despite that, it managed to squeak through the cracks. At the end of the day, I kind of realized that my carelessness in this issue actually somewhat helped. Please don't do the same thing, though. I kind of did it completely unintentionally, though, and it was actually 100% an accident. And I'm gonna go over that and show you guys the mistake in particular and how to resolve it on your own. So you see, keyboard keys not working can be caused by a trillion things, such as the keys themselves being absolutely filthy, or the keyboard circuit being defective. And in this case, only a few of the keys were affected, so it definitely wasn't the keyboard being defective. It would either be the keys being filthy, or a bad connection to the motherboard. And these keys were squeaky clean. When I was closing the computer up, I didn't properly see that the seat connector was not completely in there. And by just enough that some of the keys, the majority of them actually worked, and some didn't. So, which is would explain why after I checked it, I did not catch on, because I didn't check every single key. Take a look at me recreating this issue on the video. It's super embarrassing to have such a small mistake ruining my squeaky clean record. But I'm only a human being though, so it's okay. But thanks to that, this bad boy is back on the market again, and I don't lose any money. If you guys enjoyed this fun little video, let me know down in the comment section. And if you want to purchase this bad boy, it's available on any of our stores on Mercari, Facebook, and eBay. Have a good day, guys. Have a good day, guys. Peace out. Hey, glad to see you made it to the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe on your way out, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. TPG out.